How can we airdrop our freeform to other people or our devices? Simply open up the board that you want to airdrop, so double tap, enlarge the board, and then at the top right corner you will see the share button. But be careful, don't click airdrop just yet. Right now we are inviting to collaborate. Take a look. So instead of sending the original document, we'll be sending links for people to join and start creating the very same one. So if you want that, if you want to invite others, do just that. But if you want to send the copy to others, change this from collaborate to send copy. And now click airdrop here. They give a warning that you will create a link to this document, and everybody with the link will be able to download this for next 30 days. Continue. Alright, and now we can select people in our area that got airdrop turned on. As you can see, my iPhone just appeared and I can click on that. I'm waiting now and it's already sent. I don't need to click confirmation because it's my device, but in some cases, if this is somebody not from your friends list, they will need to click confirm. And take a look at the top right, I got this new icon showing me like people that participate in this project. Luckily, what I did, I was just sending the copy, so even I'm making changes on my iPhone right now as we speak, it's not affecting this original one because I create a separate copy for that user for my iPhone. Alright, so that's how you do it. Just top right corner, you can share, invite people to collaborate on the very same one, or you can make a copy. In some cases, that's a recommended one so nobody can mess up your freeform artboard. Alright, thank you for today. See you in the next one.